Hello children, welcome to VIN school. So today we shall learn a new chapter, The Three Butterfly Brothers. Open page number 53 in your textbook. Listen to the video and follow it. So the Three Butterfly Brothers. So have you all seen the butterfly, children? Have you seen the butterfly? Yes, everybody have seen it, isn't it? Yes. So what is the learning point in this lesson? Remain with your friends or siblings in good and bad times. Never be selfish and only look for your own good. So, what are the learning points in this lesson, children? So, remain with your friends. Okay, be with your friends or siblings. What do you mean by siblings? Brother, sister, isn't it? Yes. So, remain with them. So, be with them in good as well as in a bad time also. Okay, never be selfish and don't only look for your own goodness. Okay, yes. So, let us start the lesson. Once there was three little butterfly brothers, one white, one red and one yellow. They played in the sunshine and danced among the flowers in the garden. So, once upon a time, there was three little butterfly brothers. Okay, there was three brothers, that is butterfly brothers. Okay, so one was in white color, one butterfly was white in color, one butterfly was red in color and one butterfly was yellow in color, and all three were butterfly brothers. They all three were brothers. Okay, yes, they used to play in the sunshine. So during daytime, during the sunshine, they used to play, dance, okay, among themselves, okay, and among the flowers in the garden. So in the gardens, in between the flowers, so they used to dance and they used to play all three together. One day it rained heavily and their wings became wet. So one day what happened? It was heavy rain. It rained very heavily and all their wings, this is the wings, and all their wings became wet. They flew to the red and yellow striped tulips and said, "Dear tulips, will you please open your flower cups and let us in till the rain stops?" So it was raining heavily. So all three butterfly wings also, it became wet. So what did they do? They went to the tulips, and tulip was in yellow and red color. So it was yellow and red strip tulips. Okay. So what did they do? All three butterflies, they went to the tulip and asked, "Tulip, tulip, can you just open the flower cup? Okay. So can you make us to, or can you let us inside till the rain stop, because it is raining heavily, so all our wings have become wet. So can we be inside the cup? Can you just open, can you just let us inside till the rain stops?" So all the three butterfly asked the tulip. The tulips answered, "The red and yellow butterflies may enter because they are like us, but the white one may not come in." So then they asked the tulips all the butterflies went to tulip and asked, "Let us come in. So let me come in." Okay, so until the rain stops. But what the tulip says, "No, no, I am not going to enter the white one. The red and yellow butterfly can come inside because you both look like tulips. So you can come in. But I will not allow the white butterfly. I am not going to allow the white butterfly coming inside. Then the red and yellow butterfly said, if you won't allow our white brother into your flower cup, we too shall stay outside in the rain with him. So then the red and yellow butterfly says, if you are not allowing our white brother, so inside your flower cup, then even we are not going to come here. We will be staying outside in the rain along with the white butterfly. So even we are not going to come because you are not allowing our white brother. Then it rained heavily. So they flew to the white lilies and said, good lilies, will you please open your buds and let us in till the rain stops. So then what happened? Still it was raining heavily. So all these butterfly, they came to lilies and they said, good lilies, you are very good lilies. Can you please open your bud? Can you please open your bud and let us come inside till the rain stops? One lily answered, the white butterfly may come in because he is like me, but the red and yellow ones must stay outside. So one lily says, the white color butterfly can come inside, but I am not going to allow red and yellow because they are not like us. We are white and I can allow only white butterfly, but not yellow and red butterfly. Then the little white butterfly said, if you can't let in my red and yellow brothers, I too shall stay out in the rain with them. Our mother said, we should always remain together. So then what does the white butterfly says to the tulip? It says that if you cannot allow my brothers, yellow and red butterfly, even I will stay outside in the rain itself. So our mother has told us always to be together. So always remain together. Then the sun, who was behind a cloud, heard it all. So the sun behind the cloud, hiding behind the cloud, he listened all the conversation of the three butterflies. He knew how good these little brother butterflies were. He had also seen how they had stayed together in the rain. So he knows that how good all these little brother butterflies, and also he saw how they all together when there was heavy rain. So he pushed his face through the clouds and chased away the rain. So what did he do? What did the sun do? He came out from the cloud, okay, and he pushed his face through the cloud. So he came through the cloud and he chased away the rain. So he drive away the rain. He shone brightly on the garden. Then he shined very brightly on the garden. He dried the wings of the three little butterflies and warmed their bodies. Then what did he do? What did the sun do? He dried the wings because the wings of the butterfly was wet, isn't it? Due to the heavy rain. So what did the sun do? It dried up the wings of the three little butterfly, and it warmed their bodies. The happy butterfly brothers danced among the flowers till evening. So till evening, the happy happy butterfly, they danced among the flowers again. No more. So, children, butterflies are beautiful insects. So, butterfly are insects and it is a beautiful insects. They are brightly colored. So, the color of butterflies are very bright and they do not harm us in any way. So, in any manner, they are not going to harm us. Okay. So what did you learn from this chapter, children? Always we should stay united in difficult times. So in difficult times, always one should stay united. We should never be selfish and selflessness will always be rewarded. Okay, so now let us read the difficult words. Butterfly, sunshine, heavily, stripped, tulips, aloe, clouds, chased, brightly, warmed. So, hope you understood the lesson. Practice reading lesson and also practice all the difficult words in your notebook.